So, got a little DIY project. Gonna make a hat rack for my son's hats. Yesterday, I attempted to make one. Came out okay. I spent a lot of time trying to bend, cut the wrenches, and then I realized I made them way too long. Went back to Harbor Freight. They have these little wrench heads that I'm gonna use, that I'm gonna weld on here. They're gonna be a little bit smaller. Already kind of got like a hook shape, so we'll see how that turns out. Metal prepped here to weld on. I really like this DeWalt cordless grinder. I've always had corded grinders, kind of a pain. Gotta find outlets, drag cords around. So especially with DeWalt's new power stack, that battery definitely makes a difference when you're doing a lot of grinding. So next I'm gonna kind of rough layout, gonna relay out my hats, get some measurements back on here and start some welding. Alright, got everything laid out here. This first one here. Watched a couple YouTube videos. I'm a YouTube welder. Got this Deco stick welder on Amazon. Fairly cheap. Actually, really enjoy welding. It's hard. I'd like to get more into it, but this is definitely a good starter stick welder for anybody. You can go into a 110 outlet. So, here we go. Try this out. Here's the finished product after welding. I know I am a garbage welder, but it's only holding hats. My wife says it looks rustic, so hey, she's happy. That's all that matters. Next, I want this to cool off a little bit. I'm gonna get a got this wood here. I'm gonna actually attach it to this piece here, and then hang it on the wall. product.